Hi, everyone. Welcome to week two. I'm coming at you from Arizona. I'm actually visiting my sister. I came here for the weekend. And so I apologize for the where I'm at. Um, I did get a chance to grade everything just now. Really impressed with how everybody is engaging with the material. The discussion posts look great. Many of you were talking about gender identity, and I thought the definitions that you provided were spot on. Many of you were also talking about essentializing and how gender norms can seem like they're just part of our biology. And hopefully, throughout this course, you'll realize that that's just not the case. It's just part of what we think is normal for a female identified person or a male identified person comes from years and traditions and decades of really just thinking that that's the way things should be. And maybe there's an alternative way, right? So I've also noticed that many of you were giving really in depth definitions. Great work there. Several of you forgot to make a reply. So just make sure that you reply. I know it's a little confusing because Canvas will say that everything's due on Friday, but do remember to do a post and a reply. I also want to remind folks, I'm looking at my notes over here. I also want to remind folks that the first reflection paper is due tomorrow. So make sure you take some time to watch the video and provide a reflection. If you go back to week one, the week one module, the week zero module, excuse me, there's an example of the reflection and reaction journal if an example is helpful for you. But you can also just follow the syllabus and the rubric. One more thing I want to mention is I noticed that many of you were identifying with the Latinx or Hispanic community. Several of you had gone to Catholic school. I just think it's so great that many of you are choosing to be brave and vulnerable and talk about your lived experiences. I think that's really going to serve you as a helping professional. So, welcome to week two, and I look forward to reading your work.